Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about fostering entrepreneurship in yourself.
So you may think entrepreneurship is a kind of God-given thing, or you're born with it, or something like that, and it's really not.
Right.
It's
nothing
really
magical to it.
No, nothing magical to it. You know, are there some people that are a little more gifted towards it than others, or it comes a little more naturally? Yeah, you know, there's some people that you can just tell they're a natural born hustler, like their entire life. You know, I have a nephew that's that way. You know, if he can just focus on something, he's way out there. He has a hard time focusing on things. But you guys have seen him on the channel before, hopefully, if you've been around long enough. His name's Gianni. You know, he's a natural born hustler. He's meant to go out and do great things. He's meant to be out there and mingle with people and things.
Yeah, he's a people person, very energetic.
Yeah, very energetic. But so say you're an introvert, you know. Voila. You can still be one of the best entrepreneurs out there. You know, Jessica, she handles like pretty much all the tech side of things. You know, I do my part when I can, but I'm mainly out in the forge and I'm working and I'm filming YouTube videos and things of that nature. But you know, Jess, she handles the clients and the emails, and if you get responses from me, it's really her that's responding to you 90% of the time. You know, you know, and yeah,
photographs, listings, things like that. Yep.
You make this business run. I mean, you really do. She is kind of like that lifeblood of the business, because, you know, I mean, without her doing all the search engine stuff and tags and all that sort of things, you know, the business just won't run like it does.
Then again, you do all the networking, so
yes,
that's the
we
stuff
do.
I find tough. But
yeah, so we play off very well one another.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, and you know, so if you're by yourself, don't feel disadvantaged with that at all. You know, the entrepreneur is fostering that in you. It's a spirit. It's an ideal. It's saying, you know what? There's got to be something more than just going to my job day in, day out, driving the same route day in, day out, picking up the kids, washing the laundry, doing the things day in and day out, and at the end of the week, you got $20 left in your pocket. And that's it.
Yep.
And you think to yourself, there's got to be something more. That right there, my friend, is an entrepreneur spirit. Grasp onto that.
Yeah, find a way to apply, put that into application for yourself.
Yeah, and it could be something as simple as, you know, selling off some of your old shoes or things that you don't wear anymore, stuff like that on eBay. Start there. It's real simple. Start doing something today to foster that entrepreneur spirit, and just don't let it die, you know, with the process of time. Yep.
Put it to use.
Put it to use. That's right. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.